Today I will discuss a modal word. The modal word is should, means when we can use should, when we can't use should. Today we will discuss that kinds of particular thing. So basically we use should to give advice. I am again saying, basically we use should to give advice. So I have also written here, we use should to give advice. We use should to give advice. Like, you should study regularly. You should study regularly. What is the meaning of these sentences? Means you have to study regularly. You have to study regularly. Then other sentences, you shouldn't eat a lot of sweets regularly. This means you shouldn't eat a lot of sweets regularly. You shouldn't eat a lot of sweets regularly. Means sweet is harmful for our body. For that reason, someone is saying you shouldn't eat a lot of sweets regularly. So it is also one kind of advice. It's also one kind of advice. The other is, you should eat a lot of vegetables. This is also an advice. So you should eat a lot of vegetables. Means you have to eat a lot of vegetables regularly. Means this is important for our body. For our body to eat a lot of vegetables. So for that reason, we can say you should eat a lot of vegetables. You should eat a lot of vegetables. Then after that, we can also discuss another sentence. You shouldn't worry too much. There we have to write shouldn't. You shouldn't worry so much. This means this is not necessary to think a particular subject or a particular topics so much. Because I am again saying, you shouldn't worry too much. This is an also an advisory sentence. So I am again saying, means I am again explaining when we use should and shouldn't. We use should to give advice. We use should to give advice. You should study regularly. This means this is necessary to study regularly. You shouldn't eat a lot of sweets regularly. Regularly. This means this is not necessary to eat sweets regularly, because excessive sweet is harmful for our body. So you should eat a lot of vegetables. You should eat a lot of vegetables. This means this is necessary. This is important to eat vegetables. The another sentence, you shouldn't worry too much. This means this is not necessary to think about a particular topics too much. For that reason, a person is saying you shouldn't worry too much. Take it lightly. I think you have understood these all kinds of sentences and when we use should. So basically we use should to give advice to anyone. So I will highly recommend you please write some sentences by yourself. When you write some sentences by yourself, it will help you so much to speak in English and to feel comfortable and confident in English. So please take notes. It will help you so much later.